Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to enable or turn on pre-moves in chess.com. Now, of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are here, I want you to look at the lower left corner of your screen. You're going to have a few icons here, and I want you to focus on the cogwheel icon. This is the settings, so click on this like so, and this pop-up will appear. Now, I want you to click on the all settings option. It's the topmost option, like so. It's going to bring you to this settings page right here. And here, there are a few options here. It's going to have its own menu. So I have board and pieces, profile, interface, so on and so forth. I want you to click on gameplay. So if you click on gameplay, it's going to say manage settings for gameplay, challenges, daily games, puzzles, and bots. So it's going to be the first option. It's going to say enable pre-moves, right? So by default, it's not enabled. You can click on this to enable it and turn it on like so. It's going to be highlighted by a green color, and you're going to have a green check mark here to signify that it is indeed enabled. After that, it is now going to be turned on. And once you start playing a game in chess.com, enabled pre-moves is now active. So once pre-move is enabled, it pretty much lets you input your next moves when your opponent is making their turn, so that it's going to be executed instantly when it's your turn. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.